Today we will show you how to flip an image in Photoshop. So let's get started. Open Photoshop and load the image you want to flip. Select the layer you want to flip. Then click on Image on the top bar. Click on Image Rotation. Then select either Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical depending on your desired effect. If you choose Flip Horizontal, your image will be mirrored along the vertical axis, creating a left to right flip. This is great for creating a mirror image effect. And if you choose Flip Vertical, your image will be mirrored along the horizontal axis, creating an up and down flip. This is useful for correcting the orientation of an image. Once you have selected the desired flip, Photoshop will instantly apply the transformation. If you are satisfied, don't forget to save your flipped image. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Graphic Solution Tricks channel for more Photoshop tips and tricks.